When I set out in the morning, I had a project on my mind. It turned out to be daunting, so I gave up, left it behind. Then I checked my mental list and made a random pick, another project, time to grind. 1, 2, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I set out to make the base. I chose this out of different ways, but if this project also fails, bar a case. Now this part is a time lapse, so try to keep up with the pace. I know there's no real sound and the silence was a bit profound, so I added some effects just to distract you all from the facts. On the base, I cut out a groove on both ends. I need to make a place for the side planks to fit at the bends. See, there's no point in just using glue, so I'm working on making joints to fit them up all true. Here I'm setting up the outline, let my mind memorize the design, looks like building blocks and reminds me of a game we used to play in school back in the day. Color pencils we'd lay like this and watch in dismay as my friend would betray a blow and make them sway to crumble away. Now back to today. Drop the pencil in, the height seems fine I think. I dropped the pen as well. Perfect, but yeah, it's too soon to tell. And now there is some sawing. You can see the sawdust flying. Time for some light sanding. When is all this ending? Since I'm too lazy to use a measure, I just calculate roughly and just chisel. If you deem to notice, there seems to be a change of scene. Thing is, I had to take a break from all the woodwork. But now I'm back. The wood was a bit dusty and the tools kinda rusty. Still we continue to make. Some joints are strong and tight and snug. Some not so. I guess I just ran out of luck. And here we go again. Now there's plenty more joints that need completing. It's long work but entertaining. Now we've sanded it up a bit so we get the coat to stick. It's just nice and smooth varnish. So once I'd made the penholder, I decided to go one step further. I took my time, line by line made this rhyme, so maybe subscribe if you liked it. Have a care and don't forget to share, perhaps take a moment and drop a nice comment. Until next time, stay safe and thanks for watching.